We have problem related to factorial. We have to find the value of x. We have the given equation where exclamation sign represent factorial. So we solve for this. What is the value of x? Now first of all we define what is factorial. Factorial represented by exclamation sign says to multiply all whole numbers from a chosen number to down to 1. Now for example, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2 multiply 1 which is equal to 2. Similarly 3 factorial is 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 is equal to 6, and 4 factorial is 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 which the product is 24. We have multiplied all the number from our chosen number, that is 4, down to 1. In journal form, we write n factorial is equal to n multiply n minus 1, that is we subtract 1 from the term n, then again subtract 1 from this term, we get n minus 2. We multiply all the terms down to 1. So in journal form, we can do some simplifications like n minus 1. If we restrict our factorial sign to n minus 1 term, then we can write this way, that is n factorial is equal to n multiply n minus 1 whole factorial. And similarly, by restricting factorial sign up to n minus 2, we can write n factorial is equal to n multiply n minus 1 into n minus 2 whole factorial. So now n plus 1 factorial can be written as like this, that we started with the term n plus 1, then we subtract minus 1 from n plus 1, we get n, then we can write in simplified form, that is n minus 1 factorial. Similarly, if we start with n minus 1 factorial term, and if we change the variable, that's the same thing. We have only changed the variables, that is x minus 2 whole factorial and x plus 4 whole factorial. So x minus 2 whole factorial is x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 whole factorial. X plus 4 whole factorial can be this x plus 4, then subtract minus 1, we get x plus 3, and again subtract minus 1 from plus 3, we get x plus 2, and up to down to 1 term. That's why we write here x plus 2 whole factorial. Now let's come to our question. First of all, we take left hand side of this equation. We do some substitution which we have discussed in previous slide. Just substitute the values of n minus 2 factorial and x plus 4 factorial. Do some cancellation. Again do some cancellation. We will remain with this x minus 2 by x plus 4, which is the simplified form of left hand side. Now substitute this value in place of left hand side. Now here we compare these two expressions, that is x is 99 factorial in numerator and similarly x is 99 factorial in denominator. Minus 2 is same in numerator and plus 4 is same in denominator. So we can write x is equal to 99 factorial, which is the required answer. This is the direct answer by comparing the two expressions of this equation. If we apply some algebraic operation on this equation, we can also get the answer x is equal to 99 factorial. Let's see. Cross multiply, then multiplying these two terms and similarly these two terms. Arranging the 99 factorial in one side Then multiplying, taking common 99 factorial and multiplying on right hand side, and then solving this. Give your feedback, suggestions about the videos and channel in the comment section. Thanks.